Hello everyone, welcome to BoxPut. Today we will show you how to upgrade the firmware of the S13 Air. Step 1. Visit the boxput.com website. Find the download section at the bottom of the homepage. Click on How to Upgrade Firmware for Android and Upgrading Firmware Tools Download. Go to the new page and download the upgrade tool for the S13 Air chip. Go back to the previous step and click IATV Firmware Download. Find the firmware for the S13 Air, make sure you download the firmware file in IMG format, and then wait for the download to complete. Step 2. Place the two downloaded files on your desktop, unzip the upgrade tool, and follow my instructions to install Factory Tool. Click on Firmware in the upper left corner, select the firmware file on your desktop, and wait for successful recognition. Step 3. You will need a dual USB cable and a pin. After successful recognition, insert the pin into the reset hole and hold it down. Connect one end of the USB cable to your computer and the other end to the S13 Air. Once the connection is displayed, you can start the upgrade. Step 4. Plug the upgraded S13 Air into your TV, wait a moment, and then reconnect the remote control. Finally, you can check in About to see if the upgrade is complete. So, have you learned how to do it? If you have any other questions, let me know in the comments section.